Hey everyone, welcome to NeuralTensors. Today we are building an AI-powered image storytelling app. So here's a quick demo. We open the app, upload an image, and it generates a creative story inspired by the image. The app also reads any text within the image, adding another layer to the story. Plus, we can save the story to revisit later. Let's dive into building this app together. Let's start with the workflow of our app. First, we upload an image into the app. The app uses AI to analyze the image, consider the details like the scene, mood, and text, and then create a story based on what it sees. And finally, it displays the story and offers an option to download it as a text file. Before jumping into coding, let's cover the set of steps. We'll use Streamlit, Google Generative AI, and Pillow for image handling, and .env to load our API key. And we can run this command to install all the dependencies. We'll need an API key to access Google Generative AI. Obtain this by setting up a Google Cloud project, enabling the Google Generative AI API, and create a .env file to store the API key securely inside .env. Once we are set up, let's start coding. Let's build the core code in the Jupyter notebook first. This way we'll understand each step of the functionality without the Streamlit UI. First, we import the required libraries. We import google.generative AI for interacting with Google's generative AI model, and then pil.image for handling images, OS to access environment variables, and .env to securely load our API key. First, load.env fetches the API key from our .env file. Then genai.configure sets up a connection to the generative model using the loaded key. The story prompt provides clear instructions to the model. It tells the AI to analyze the image, consider any elements present, and craft a creative story inspired by what it observes. This function takes in the image and prompt, sends both to the generative model, and returns the text-based story. The response.text is the generated story that the AI produces. Here we have the path for the target image intended for the story generation, which is pic.jpg. And then it opens the specified image and generates a story using the defined function and the prompt, and it prints the result if the image file exists. Now let's build the app using the Streamlit to make the experience interactive. Here, st.title adds the title and at the top of our app, letting users know what the app does. st.fileUploader prompts user to upload an image with an open with pil.image.open and display using st.image. The if uploaded file is not known condition ensures we only proceed if an image is uploaded. st.button creates a generate story button. Once clicked, a loading spinner appears as the app generates the story, calling our generate story from the image function. The result is then displayed with st.write. st.download button lets the users download the generated story as a text file. The .encode method prepares the text for download, and the file name argument names the file as generatedstory.txt. To try this app, save the code as app.py, then open your terminal and navigate to the folder with app.py, and then run this command streamlit run app.py. This will open the app in your default browser, and then you can start creating story based on your images. Now let's take a look at the app in action. You can see that once the app is open, we can upload an image and then click generate story, and then AI quickly analyzes the image to create short story based on what it sees. We can also download the story as a text file, making it easy to save and share. So that's it. Now we have a fully functional AI-powered image storytelling app. It's a fantastic project to explore image analysis and creative AI. The code is available in my GitHub. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time.